Hi friends. So again, I purchased some things from BackMarket.com, and I just found out about this website. And before, I used to get it from a physical wholesaler supplier in the Bronx, and I used to pay high prices. I used to pay exactly the same price as Amazon, but I didn't have to pay sales tax. But now that I found backmarket.com, where this particular platform is backed up by several refurbishing companies only, and they refurbish devices, mostly phones, and they put it in this site, which is their platform, so they don't have to pay outrageous platform fees. They don't have to send their devices to Amazon FBA and then ship it to the client. They don't have to pay double shipping. So this is a great, and they're able to service their own client. That's why they give 12 months warranty, you know. So that's why I'm really glad that I found this site, and I purchased four things that I just received, and I saved enormous amount of money. So I'm going to show you what I got, and also I'm going to give you my code. That way you can make purchases and you will get $10 off from whatever you choose. I didn't get $10 off because initially no one referred me, and up to today, I can't really use anyone referrals code anymore because I'm already an existing customer. So this is perfect for you because you haven't purchased anything yet, you're new, and if you use this code, you're gonna get $10 off on your first purchase, okay? And also your friends are gonna get $10 off as well. Okay, so let me show you what I. So yeah, I purchased the XS fully unlocked Amazon 388. I got it for $51. That's awesome. I got the 7 Plus, Jet Black. Jet Black is excellent because it looks like 8 Plus. The back is so shiny, it looks like glass. And it's made of aluminum, so the back is not going to break. So this is 128 gigabytes. I didn't pay 264. I only paid 234. And yeah, this is the 7 Plus, as you can see. It's Touch ID. Nothing is set up. As you can see, they're all the screens. They're all very good condition, excellent condition actually. I haven't had any problems or any issues. And the other thing is that with the 7 Plus, they actually gave, I got actually you can call it an upgrade because this is a fast charger. It doesn't say Apple, it just says designed by blank in California. So yeah, just this is worth like $20 or so. So yeah, with everyone they gave the box, the cable, and with this one I got a pin. But with these two, I did not get a pin. So yeah, I saved $51 there, $30 there. iPhone 7, I saved $76 because I only paid, and this is also 128 gigabytes as well. So this is not the base 32. This is the optional higher gigabyte. I only paid 108. This one is T-Mobile locked. But it will work with Simple Mobile because Simple Mobile is T-Mobile compatible. And yeah, lastly, I got this, which is a fast charge by Samsung. I looked on, obviously, this is refurbished, uh, but I looked on Amazon and I saw that the price was same on Amazon. So I didn't save much there, but I do have a 12-month warranty with this, and not just this, with everything. Because you're buying from the website, but the customer service is not handled by anybody else. The seller actually handles the customer service. So guys, yeah, as you guys can see, I've been ordering fonts, and there's 4 of them. I haven't been having any problems. Everything is fine. I'm pretty much getting what I'm supposed to. So yeah, so definitely, you and even if the price was same as Amazon, if it was same, I would still get it from BackMarket because of the 12-month warranty. Because at the store, I can actually give them warranty, which I don't have to be liable for. If something happens, they'll bring it back to the store, and I will initiate a request, and they'll send me a prepaid label. I'll print out the shipping label, send it in, and let them give another one or a refund, whichever they want. So that's why I love this. So make sure, if you guys are convinced that this is not gonna hurt you, definitely use my code. That way you'll get $10 off, and on your first purchase, and only after you make your first purchase, then you get your own code. You cannot get your own code unless you buy something. Okay? So if you guys have any questions, you can write them down on the comment section below. And also, I do want to let you know, next week I'm going to give 10 items away for free. So make sure you guys subscribe. Also have your friends subscribe, and make sure you guys hit the bell so that you get notified, because I'm thinking about giving some really good things away. Okay, guys, have a good one. Bye.